Namaskar. Direction for the following two items. Read the following two passages and answer the items that follow. Your answer of these items should be based on the passages only. Passage 1. Can a democracy avoid to the being a welfare of the state for a long? Why cannot of the mass welfare be left of the entirely to the markets? There is a built into the tension between to the markets and democracy. Markets do not of the work on a one person on vote principle as a democracies do. What one gets out of the market of the place of the dependent on one's endowments, skills, purchasing power, and this is the force of the demand and to the supply. Markets reward individual initiative and skill, and may also lift many of the from the bottom of the rungs of the society. But so the some people never gets of the opportunity to develop the skill and the market demand. They are the simply too poor and too handicapped, or the skill of the formation takes too long, and by creating to the job markets so they may be able to the help even to the unskilled people, but to the capitalism is always witnesses to the brutes and employment. With the reference to the above, the basis of the following assumption have been made. Modern democracies of the rely on to the market of the force to it to enable them to the welfare of the state. 2. Market ensures to the sufficient economic of the growth necessary to the democratic to the effective. 3. Government of the program need to be for the those left behind in economic growth. Which of the above for the assumption is are valid? 1 and 3 only, B 3 only, C 2 and 3 only, and D 1 2 3 only. Answer is option number B, that is 3 only. Passage 2. In our school, we teach our children all that is there is no about to the physics, maths, and history, and what have you. But do we teach them about to the bitter of the cost of the divided debt of the blacks and to the country, about to the spectre of the famine, debt of the struggles, the large of the parts of our land of the about to the gender sensitivity, about to the possibility of the enthusiasm of the source. Equal important to we teach of them to the ask to the question, or do teach of them only to the positively of the receive our wisdom from the cocoon to the world of the school of the suddenly to the adolescent of the find to the himself of the herself is unfitted. The world of the university here is he or she of the sweeps of the up into the terminal ideas of the influences and to the ideology. For to the someone who has discouraged from asking the question formation of the opinion, this is the transition can help and to. Which of the among following of the statement based of the reflect to the central idea of the basis of the given above? School of the curriculum is not of the capable with to the expectation of the children of the parents. Emphasis of the academic of the achievement does not give of the time of the development of the personality of the school. Preparing of the children to do the better of the citizen should be responsible for to the education of the system. To be the better citizen, the present world would be demanded to the societal and to the life coping of the skill of the addition to the academic of the content. Answer is option number D, that is to be a better of the citizenship of the present of to the border of the demand to the society of the lift of the clipping and to the skill additional to the academic of the content. Question number 63. There are the three of the points of the PQR. One of the straight of the line of the size of the PQ is to QR. 3 is to 5. If n is the 3 number of the possible of the value, PQ is to PR, then what is the equal of n value? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option 4 4. Answer is option number B, that is 2. On the chase of the board, in how many of the different ways of the C consecutive of the square be chosen on the diagonals along with the straight of the path? Option A 4, option B 6, option 8, option D 12. Answer is option number B, that is 6. In the series of the dash B, dash A, dash BA, dash B, dash AB, AB, dash A, fill in the 6 blanks. Dash using to the following of the given of the 4 of the choice of the such that this series of the follow the species under to the option A B A B A B A, option B B A B B A, option C B B A B B, option D A B A B A B. Answer is 65D, that is A B A B A B. Using the 2 2 3 3 3 is the digit of the how many the distinct number of the greater than to the 30,000 can be formed. Option A 3, option B 6, option C 9, option D 12. Answer is option number B, that is 6. Consider the following statement. The sum of the 5 consecutive integers can be 100. The product of the 3 consecutive natural number can be equal to their of the sum. Which of the above statement is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option number C, that is both 1 and 2. Question number 68. A cubicle of the vessels of the side of the 1 meter is filled of the completely with the water. How many of the milliliters of water are the contained in the neglect of the thickness of the vessels? Option A 1000, option B 10,000, option C 1 lakhs, option D 10 lakhs. Answer is option number D 10 lakhs. There are the 6 person of the errands into the row. The another person has to the shake of the hand with the 3 of them of the so that she could not shake of the hand of the 2 consecutive of the person into the how many of the distinct possible of the combination can be handshake of the take of the place. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Answer is option number B, that is 4. An amount of the money was distributed among to the ABC into the ratio PQR. Consider the following statement. A gets of the maximum share of P is greater than Q plus R. 2. C gets of the minimum of the share of if R is the less than P plus Q. Which of the above statement is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option number A 1 only. Thank you.